This morning I had the opportunity to visit City Tower 1. This is a residential building located right off Sheikh Zayed Road, just a few minutes away from downtown Dubai, DIFC, and Business Bay, making it very convenient for people who work in these locations. This is a brand new tower developed by H&H Developers, which is one of the most reputable developers in the whole of Dubai. They're known for their attention to detail and top quality projects that they hand over. This building has multiple amenities within it, including an infinity pool, a fully equipped gym, kids play areas, kids pool, and multiple communal areas amongst other amenities. But what makes this building so unique is the fact that there's only leasing options available. I have multiple studio, 1, 2, 3, 4, and penthouse options available for rent. If you watch this video and this looks like the type of place you might want to live or raise your family, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All my details are in the description below, and I'll be happy to organize a viewing for us. If you like this content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the tour.